Hi, and welcome to my series on Braille. In this video, I'm going to share with you some introductory concepts on Braille, particularly the Braille alphabet, with some exciting exercises as we go along. Please leave a comment for your questions and queries and reactions. Happy learning! What is Braille? Braille is a system for tactile reading and writing. It uses characters formed by combinations of 6 embossed dots that are arranged within the Braille cell in 2 vertical columns of 3 each. The history of Braille goes all the way back to the early 1800s. A man named Charles Barbier, who served in Napoleon Bonaparte's French army, developed a unique system known as night writing so soldiers could communicate safely during the night. At 11 years old, Braille found inspiration to modify Charles Barbier's night writing code in an effort to create an efficient written communication system for fellow blind individuals. What is the Unified English Braille? Unified English Braille, or UEB, is a set of code developed by the International Council on English Braille to harmonize Braille across codes and between English-speaking countries. UEB can be used for all documents, regardless of whether their content is literary or technical. What is the Braille cell? The basic Braille symbol, called the Braille cell, consists of 6 dots arranged in the formation of a rectangle, 3 dots high and 2 across. Other symbols consist of only some of these 6 dots. The 6 dots are commonly referred to by number according to their position in the cell. To get started, let us have the Braille alphabet. Beginning with the first 10 letters, which are letters A to J. These are formed using the upper and middle dots, the dots 1, 2, 4, and 5. Letter A consists of dot 1, B dots 1 and 2, C dots 1 and 4, D dots 1, 4, and 5, E dots 1 and 5, F dots 1, 2, and 4, G dots 1, 2, 4, and 5, H dots 1, 2, and 5, I dots 2 and 4, and J dots 2, 4, and 5. To have a better grasp of these Braille characters, let us have a game which I call Guess and Transcribe. You need to guess the riddle by transcribing the answer in Braille font. For our first riddle, what has to be broken before you can use it? As you have noticed, the answer is already revealed. And the way to answer it is to transcribe using your knowledge on the first 10 letters of the Braille alphabet. The correct answer has letters E, G, and G, or simply egg. Our second riddle is an interesting one. What goes up but never comes down? Try to transcribe the answer in Braille font. You may also pause the video while trying to guess the answer. The answer to this riddle has letters A, G, and E. Thus, the answer is age. Let's move on to our second 10 letters. The letters K to T are formed by adding 3 to each of the first 10 letters. Adding 3 to letter A gives us the letter K. Adding 3 to B is letter L. Letter M is from C added with 3. N is from D with 3. O is from E with 3. Letter F added with 3 is P. Letter G added with 3 is Q. Letter R is from H added with 3. I with 3 is letter S, and letter J with 3 is T. Let us continue with our game, Guess and Transcribe. But this time we will use the first 20 letters of the Braille alphabet. Here is the riddle. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? You can answer this riddle by transcribing the answer in Braille font. You can also pause the video while transcribing. The correct answer is silence. Moving on to our next riddle. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack, but give me a smile and I'll always smile back. What am I? You can pause the video while transcribing the answer. The correct answer is mirror. This next riddle is a very fascinating one. If you've got me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't kept me. What am I? Guess and transcribe. The correct answer is secret. At this point, Let us move on to the last 6 letters of the Braille alphabet. 5 of these last 6 letters are formed by adding dots 3 and 6 to the first 5 letters. Letter W, dots 2-4-5-6, does not fit into this pattern because Braille was devised by a Frenchman and the French alphabet did not contain the letter W at the time. Here are the last 6 letters in print and Braille formats. Letter U is from letter A with the addition of dots 3 and 6. Letter V is from B with dots 3 and 6. Letter X is from letter C added with dots 3 and 6. Y is letter D with dots 3 and 6. And letter Z is letter E with dots 3 and 6. On the other hand, letter W has dots 2, 4, 5, and 6. Moving on to our last set of riddles. This time we will use all the letters of the Braille alphabet. Here's the first riddle in this set. What building has the most stories? Pause the video. Then, guess and transcribe. The correct answer is the library. Here is our second riddle in this set. What begins with an E and only contains one letter? Pause the video. Then, guess and transcribe. The correct answer is envelope. Here is our third and last riddle in this set. What kind of ship has 2 mates but no captain? Pause the video. Then, guess and transcribe. The correct answer is relationship. Finally, here are the 26 letters of the Braille alphabet. Remember that the foundation of these letters is the Braille Cell. And the pattern begins with the first 10 letters. Take note that Braille is not a language. It is a system of reading and writing used by people who are blind and visually impaired. With this, I hope you learned something from this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching. God bless us.